the drug dealer.
Roots and super cool, let's Dora. Need your help, grab your backpack. Let's go, jump in, vámonos. You can lead the way. Hey, hey, hey. Dora, Dora, swiper no swiping, swiper no swiping. Oh man. Dora,
The drug dealer.
You ready? I guess, Holmes. Backpack.
What's the derivative of x squared?
2x. Knock, knock. You know who it is.
Yo,
Oh,
Boots,
shoot,
come on.
what's up, Baton?
Got some errands. Come on, let's go. Hey, give me the strap.
No, you don't need it for that.
Come on.
Hey, got Diego. Who? A swiper and his crew, they got him. No! We didn't have anything to defend Diego. Diego. Give me some glue glog, Dora.
What's up, Dora? It's me, Swiper.
Swiper.
Yeah, I know what you've been doing. I seen you and Boots around on my territory, walk around, dealing glue glug to my troll. You know Troll and me are tight. We've been friends since middle school. You can't do that to me.
What is
Anyways,
this about?
you know what it's about. I got Diego, and you're gonna come to Calculus Cavern today. And you're
Diego,
gonna bring
no.
all your glue glug with you.
Swiper. Swiper. Hello? Diego. They have Diego. Boots, we have to go. Get up, Boots. How do we get to Calculus Cavern? I've had an idea. Backpack, give me math.
But first, what's the derivative of sine x?
Do you know? That's right. Cosine x.
Here you go, Dora.
Right now, we're at Dora's house, but we have to get all the way to Calculus Cavern to save Diego. But to get there, we have a long journey. First, we have to cross Derivative Drawbridge, aka Troll's house, which you might remember from a little bit earlier. Then, we have to travel along Integral Interstate, which leads directly to Calculus Cavern, which is where Swiper is holding Diego hostage.
This way.
Not so fast! You're about to learn why this is called derivative drawbridge.
Oh no.
Solve this to pass first.
This is the problem the troll gave us. Do you know how we should solve it? That's right, quotient rule. For quotient rule, we need to multiply the derivative of the top by the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom times the top, all over the bottom term squared. In this case, it simplifies to 6x squared minus 3 minus 12x squared plus 16x all over 2x squared minus 1 squared, which, eureka, simplifies to negative 6x squared.
Holy guacamole. It's negative 6x squared.
Let me see. Not bad. Surprising, really. But you made a mistake. Forgot the dx.
Oh my
I'll let you go this time.
Thank you. Let's go, guys. Here's Integral Interstate.
What have we here? What's this?
I think there's a derivative problem locking the gate, I see.
It's actually an integral.
An integral problem locking the gate, I see.
Damn.
In order to get onto integral interstate, we need to integrate f of x on the interval of 0 to 2, with f of x being x squared. To solve the integral, we need to write it in this notation here, and according to the power rule of integration, x squared becomes x cubed over 3 on the interval 0 to 2. According to FTC number 1, we directly substitute each side of the interval with the top of the interval being first, and this gives us 2 to the third power over 3 minus 0 to the third power over 3, which equals 8/3.
Oh my god, now that we solved the problem, we can get through. Let's go, guys.
That sounds like Swiper!
Whoa, what's going on here, bro?
You have what I asked you for? Too bad then. Let's go. Stay back.
Hold it right there, Swiper!
Say goodbye to your good pal Diego.
You wouldn't dare!
I would. Come on.
If you kill Diego, your entire supply of glue block is gone.
Oh yeah? Like you're my supply. What are you gonna do about it?
Oh yeah, Swiper?
What?
Well, you're not even a purebred Swiper. Your mom's a hedgehog.
How dare you say that about my mother? Get out of here. Give me that.
What are you gonna do
You
about
got
it?
yourself a standoff.
Dora wants to shoot Swiper's gun out of his hand. The position of her bullet can be found with the equation P of t equals t cubed minus 4t squared minus 3t minus 2, when t is greater than or equal to 0 and t equals seconds after the bullet is fired. At which time does the bullet reach Swiper's gun, which is when v of t equals 0. So in order to find v of t, we have to integrate p of t, and that ends up being 3t squared minus 8t minus 3. Now, to find when v of t equals 0, we set this equation equal to 0. We factor to solve, and when you do that, you get 3t plus 1 times t minus 3 equals 0. To solve for both values of t, you set each part of the equation equal to 0 and solve. One of the values ends up being negative 1/3, and the other value is 3. Because negative 1/3 is less than 0, the bullet reaches Swiper's gun 3 seconds after the bullet is fired.
Swiper, you swiped your last swipe.
We'll see who gets out of here alive. 10, 9, 8. That's not fair!
Diego! Come here. We're going home.
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay!
Swiper's mine.
Come on, you.